The other day, my friend Mike asked me, what supplements can I take to help my gut health? And I thought, oh my goodness, that is such a great question, but how am I going to answer that in just a few minutes? Gut health is such a huge topic, right? Hippocrates, the father of medicine, knew thousands of years ago that health or disease begins in the gut. And if you're like a lot of people that we've worked with, you've studied this and you know, and you've started to understand how important gut health is. But where do we start, right? There's so much information, so overwhelming. Feels like it's too much to even begin. And I thought, wait a second, it doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to take so much time. Let's break it down. Let's make it simple, because to be honest, if you're like me, you're so busy and stretched so thin, you don't have time to spend a lot of time figuring this out or trying to get things going in the right direction with your gut health. So I have worked on what would be the top 5 supplements that you could take that would help get your gut health going in the right direction. So let's dive into this. Number 1 is fish oil. Fish oil is also known as omega-3 fatty acids. Now, yes, you can get all of these from your diet, but a lot of us have compromised diet, so a supplement can really help. Omega-3 fatty acids are so important for actually a whole ton of reasons, but one of the biggest ones is for gut health. So get a good one, take it consistently. All right, number 2 that I recommend for gut health is curcumin. Curcumin actually comes from a root called turmeric. It's used in spices. There's a lot of things that turmeric can do, but one of the big things that curcumin does is help with gut healing. It reduces inflammation. It can actually help even fight viruses and support the liver. So it's a really great one to add. Number 3, this will probably not surprise you, but probiotics is definitely something that I recommend to help start getting your gut health on track. Now, there's a lot of different probiotics. We're not going to get into that today, but getting a good, well-balanced or well-rounded probiotic can definitely help you with your gut health. All right, number 4 is digestive enzymes. Now, the body makes digestive enzymes, and it's absolutely crucial to have enough of those to digest and absorb your food and the nutrients in the food, which is a key for good health, especially gut healing. But many of us are deficient for one reason or another. So adding those as a supplement can be very beneficial for gut healing and actually overall health in general. Now, number 5 was really tough for me because there's so many. How can I narrow it down to just one more of our top 5? But I finally settled on fiber. Now, that might sound really boring, and yes, you can get fiber from your diet, but again, most of us are not getting enough, and especially something called soluble fiber is so key for gut health. It does other really cool things too, like absorb toxins and help regulate blood sugar, but you can get good quality fiber, soluble fiber supplements that help you as well. Now, we could do a whole bunch more. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and right now you might be wondering, well, where am I going to get these, and how much should I take, and is this a good one? Those are such great questions, and I can't really answer those today. I'm not giving you specific medical advice today, just education to get you going in the right direction. One of the most important things we do here is help people learn all of those things through a proper education, and we would love to help you if you need it. But what I'm asking you today is just get started by moving in the right direction. Something is always better than nothing. And the second thing I would like to ask you is if you could share, what are you struggling with around your gut health? What kind of symptoms are you having? A lot of people have gas and bloating and heartburn, indigestion, constipation or diarrhea. The list can go on and on. But where can we support you? I would really love to develop more education, maybe even a complete course on gut health that could help people in the time that we have in our crazy busy lives, in these stressful times that we're living in, that will help you move in the right direction. So please share your comments, your thoughts on what's going on with you. Where do you need support? What additional information can I provide to support you? Remember, you are not alone and you are loved. Take care.